Oh my God. That's crazy. Yo, what is up, YouTube? We are back with another POV video. We back to the normal POVs. I'm gonna try to, like, however way I can figure out how to mic up this exhaust and the intake. I'm gonna try to get that out for y'all. I'm working, doing a bunch of trial and error, so hopefully y'all enjoy the video and let's vibe. I'm not gonna lie, YouTube, y'all have been killing it with the videos lately. The videos have been going insane, and I just appreciate all my new subscribers, everybody who's been tapping into the videos. You know, I got a Bmw F30. It's not the fastest car in the world, but it's somewhere to start. This is my first modded car, and you know, I just wanted to do something with it, making it more enjoyable for me personally. So later we're gonna obviously get something better, something faster, but you can't complain. It's the first car, man. Like, what are we doing? I'm gonna get that, I'm gonna get my intake mic'd up so y'all can hear it. That's crazy. No, this bus is insane. This Mustang sound good. exit every time I come on this road. It's every time I come on this road, I miss my exit. I just never know where it's telling me to go. Did I take the wrong one? Bro, I'm not missing exit, bro. No. Look at that. The car feels amazing today. I ain't gonna lie. I reflashed the car. I'm back on stage 2. Reflashed the trans. Be back in business. look, I got a magnetic front license plate. I forgot that BMW makes their car straight out of plastic, bruh. So the whole front bumper is literally plastic. So that won't even work. So I'm gonna get another mount for the front so I can stop getting pulled over, bruh. Wow. Wow. Yo, the question is, how do we even get to this point where it's traffic on the bridge, but it's moving at the same time? Like, I'm so confused. Video gonna be dropped today for y'all. Soon I get back to the crib, I'm gonna edit it up and I'm gonna drop it. Listen, 328i is underrated BMW, bro. Most underrated BMW. Everybody talk about what a BMW 328 can't do, but let's talk about what it can do. Let's talk about what it can do. Come on now. Alright, YouTube, if y'all enjoyed the video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I hope y'all enjoyed the pulls, the pops and the bangs. If y'all request for me to turn off the pops and just, you know, hear straight exhaust, that's fine by me. If y'all request and want me to turn off the pops and just do straight exhaust, I can do that. I just do the pops. I think some people like it, some people don't. I don't really mind. I like the pop sometimes. I don't always run it. But leave a comment down below. Leave a comment down below, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next video, man. We out. Peace.